Hello everyone, welcome. If you are new to this channel, this is Dr. Kao. This channel is about Web3 education and investment. I normally will just share my personal experience in the Web3 investment, and also there will be a lot of tutorials to show you step by step how to use those defined application and how to use different wallet. And so if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like this channel. If you feel this video is useful, check the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. And so we talk about the Polkadot JS wallet in this video. So first of all, this Polkadot JS wallet, there could be multiple wallets you are going to create. And if you open the link, so I'm going to put the link under the video as well. So make sure you double check this is a correct one. Make sure that's not a phishing website. I don't want any of you lose your dot. So the Polkadot JS wallet itself, you can first of all you can install the extension. So extension is itself it's not a wallet. It's kind of something like some app to manage your account. And you can also check the code here. So if you are interested, you can check the code. But for most of us, like we don't need to do anything with this wallet itself. But you can see this wallet is updated. Like you can see it's updated 11 minutes or 5 hours ago. So that's a good sign. Like when you check any wallet, if it's updated frequently, that means that there will be a lot of people maintaining this wallet, and so that's a good thing. So now the first thing you need to do is you need to install the extension. So a lot of you probably use Chrome, and I personally also have the Chrome. So you can download for the Chrome. But today in the demo, I'm going to show you how you use that on Firefox. However, they should be the same. And so I'm going to just click this one, download for Firefox, and then I'm going to add it to the Firefox. It's going to ask you whether you allow that extension, so I'm going to add. Now, after I do that, I click OK, and you can see there's a button on the top right. So this is the extension you installed. So again, like this is the extension, so it's not your wallet yet. So I will just understand and continue. Now you can create an account. So the account you are going to create here, I'm going to just as a demo. So I'm going to just create a random one. So this is your seed word. Make sure you keep it somewhere safe and don't put it online so other people may steal your wallet. And then once you click once you store that safely, then you can click here I have saved, and then click next step, and then it's going to ask you to put a name. So we just use a test name, and then put a password. So I'm going to just test that. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, or some kind of easy password. I'm just try that. So now you have the account. So this is your account. Now you can do some settings. If you notice, there will be 3 ... here. So here the when you click that, you can export that account. So you can export, and you need to have the password. I just put that. So I want to export, and it's going to save that as a JSON file. So that's your account. So you can save it to your local machine. So I'm going to just save the file, and it will be saved. So in the future you can load it back, and you probably need that password. That's one thing. And another thing is, if you click that, if you notice there is an option you can choose, like if you want your account or your address here, if you want that to be used on any chain or on the Polkadot Relay chain only, or maybe Kusama. So Polkadot is very special. So I'm going to talk about the Polkadot in the future in other videos. But generally, they could have different parachains, and your address, you can limit that to be just Polkadot Relay chain, so it can only be used on Polkadot. But if you need to use that, also use the same account for other parachains, so you can use on any chain. So this might be important. So I'm going to go back here to the original place. Now if you want to interact with, if you want to actually check your account, if you have a different parachain account, so you can click here the top tab for the apps. Then this is a place like you can check your account. So I'm going to allow the process. Now you can see that like on your top left, if you click that, you can choose different parachain. So if you want to check like Akana, and then you can switch to Akana. So now you switch to Akana parachain, and if you notice here, the account is already created. The reason is I already allow here. So on the top right, I already allow use on any chain. So you can also have the symbol here. It will tell you like this account is available on all network. If you don't want that happen, then you can just choose that to be Polkadot Relay chain only. So if you do that, then you may not be able to see the account on the other parachain. So that's just something you may want to be aware of. And so I would just choose that, and then you can switch back to the Polkadot Relay chain, and here you are going to see your account. It's a same account actually, but they have different address. One address is for the Polkadot Relay chain, and the other address is for other other parachain. So if you check the Moonbeam, and then you can switch to there. You may notice chain the address is different. Of course, here the Moonbeam is a little bit different because they are EVM like Ethereum virtual machine compatible. So actually, you need to create an account, and that's kind of similar to the Ethereum address. But anyway, like different parachains, they have different features, so you may need to be aware of that. And this is overall like how you can interact with how you can switch different parachain in the Polkadot JS wallet. So overall, like in this video, I talk about the Polkadot JS wallet, how you can install that, how you can create the wallet, and how you will just check each of the wallet. So you can get the address here. You can also use a button to send. And once you get the address, you can get the token from other wallet or from exchange. You can send it to this wallet, and then you can use that. And so hopefully this video is useful. If you like that, don't forget to subscribe and check the bell icon so you will not miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.